Imagine this, you record one podcast or Zoom call, and boom, you instantly have 100 pieces of content ready for YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, your blog, all done in minutes. No, it's not actual magic, but it's pretty close. It's Castmagic. If you've ever felt like content creation is eating your entire life, this might be the shortcut you've been waiting for. Stick around, because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how Castmagic works, how it stacks up against the big names like Descript and Otter, and how you can turn one piece of content into a month's worth of posts without burning out. Here's the problem. Content creation is a hamster wheel. You post one thing, and before it's even live, you're already behind on the next. Between scripting, editing, writing captions, and making thumbnails, it's no wonder creators are exhausted. And if you're a podcaster, coach, or entrepreneur, you know the pain of having hours of amazing content trapped inside recordings that never see the light of day. That's where Castmagic comes in. Castmagic is an AI tool that takes your audio or video from podcasts, Zoom calls, YouTube videos, whatever you have, and automatically turns it into ready-to-publish content. We're talking transcripts, blog posts, newsletters, tweet threads, LinkedIn posts, Instagram captions, email sequences, even bullet point show notes, all in your own tone of voice. Here's how it works. First, upload your content. You can drop in an MP3, MP4, or even pull directly from YouTube or Zoom. Next, Castmagic transcribes it in seconds, giving you a clean, time-stamped transcript. Then comes the real magic. You choose what you need, a blog post, a social carousel, an email, and it generates it instantly. Finally, you can set your own custom prompts and brand voice so everything matches your style. It's like having your own 24/7 content team without the payroll. Some standout features include multi-format content generation, one input, many outputs. There's AI summarization, which is perfect for quick recaps and meeting notes. Searchable transcripts let you find exact quotes instantly. Highlight reels make it easy to spot share-worthy moments. And team collaboration tools allow you to comment, tag, and organize with others. To get started with Castmagic, head to their website and click Sign Up. You can create an account using your Google account. The first screen welcomes you and asks for your full name. This helps personalize your account and is linked to your profile. Once you've typed it in, click Continue to move on. Next, you'll create your first space. A space is like a dedicated folder where all your recordings and AI-generated content will be organized. You can name it after your podcast, YouTube channel, business, or keep it generic with something like My Projects. At this stage, you'll also choose your preferred language and have the option to enable automatic speaker labeling, which uses AI to identify and tag different voices in your recordings automatically. The next step is choosing your content profile. This tells Castmagic what kind of content you work with most often, so it can preload the right AI prompts for you. Options include podcast, YouTube, meetings, coaching, sales calls, marketing assistant, and more. Each profile comes with relevant prompt templates. For example, the podcast profile includes ready-made prompts for generating episode titles, keywords, speaker bios, introductions, and time-stamped overviews. Once you've made your selection, you're in. Your Castmagic dashboard will be ready to use, and you can start uploading audio or video files right away. From there, the AI will transcribe your content and generate multiple ready-to-publish formats, from blog posts and social captions to newsletters and summaries, all in just a few clicks. Once your account and space are set up, the final onboarding step is to import your first piece of content into Castmagic. At this point, you'll see a screen that lets you bring in audio or video files in a few different ways. The most direct option is Upload Files, which allows you to import from your computer. You can either drag and drop your file into the dotted box or click Browse Files to pick one manually. If you already publish your content online, you can also use the RSS option. This automatically syncs audio or video from your RSS feed into Castmagic, so you don't have to manually upload every time. On the right-hand side, you'll see your media library. This is where all your uploaded or imported files will be stored. When you first open the recording section in Castmagic, you're greeted with a clear welcome message encouraging you to upload your first recording. This is where the magic begins. Once you add your audio or video file, Castmagic will instantly transform it into transcripts, show notes, and other useful content you can repurpose. In the center of the screen, you'll see the Upload Your Next Recording area. Here, you can click Import Audio or Video to bring in your podcast, interview, webinar, or any other recorded content. The left-hand menu gives you quick access to all Castmagic features: your spaces, recordings, content pipeline, Magic Chat, the new studio feature, and your media library. You'll also find options to view your pages, speakers, settings, and prompts. Below the Upload section, there are extra resources to help you make the most of Castmagic. The Submit Feedback panel invites you to share your thoughts to help improve the platform. The Browse Community Prompts panel lets you explore pre-made prompt templates from other creators, which can save you time when generating content. Finally, the Join Our Slack community panel encourages you to connect with other users, exchange tips, and stay updated with new features. This screen is essentially your creative launchpad. Upload a file here and you unlock all the AI-powered features Castmagic offers. It's an AI-powered content repurposing platform designed to help creators, teams, and agencies extract more value from long-form audio and video. When you select Create Content, Castmagic takes you to a workspace where you can turn your uploaded transcript into new pieces of content. At the top, you'll see two tabs, Create and Recurring. The Create tab is for generating content on the spot, while the Recurring tab holds your regularly used content prompts that can be applied again and again. The first thing Castmagic emphasizes is labeling your speakers. After uploading your recording, the AI will assign placeholders like speaker A, B, or C. By replacing these with real names, you give the AI better context for who's talking, which improves the quality of your output, whether it's a social media post, summary, or speaker-specific bio. Next, you're encouraged to use custom content samples in your prompts. This is a powerful but often overlooked feature. If you have a preferred writing style or tone, such as a specific intro you've written or a past LinkedIn post, you can paste that in as an example. Castmagic's AI will then replicate not only the content type, but also your exact tone, structure, and voice, making the results feel authentically yours. At the bottom of the panel, there's a text field asking, what kind of content do you want to create? This is where you can type instructions or paste examples for the AI to follow. You also have quick options to save your prompt as a draft, use a content sample, or add to pipeline for ongoing projects. On the right-hand side, you can see the video or audio player with the uploaded content and transcript. There are tools to edit, download, manage speakers, and find and replace text in your transcript. Compared to Descript, Castmagic is less about deep audio editing and more about content repurposing. Otter.ai is great for meeting transcripts, but Castmagic shines when it comes to publishing across multiple platforms. If you're looking for a quick reference, think of it like this: Descript edits, Otter transcribes, Castmagic multiplies. Castmagic identifies high-performing themes and recommends your next move. Generate polished content assets from long-form media in minutes. Publish or export all from a single dashboard. Create custom 3,000+ word content pieces based on context from multiple recordings. Select your favorite conversation highlights and turn them into audio or video highlights. Put Castmagic in your pocket. Tap to record IRL meetings, voice notes, and more. Your recordings instantly sync with your Castmagic workspace, customizable for any use case. Draft written content from media files in seconds. Pricing starts at around $39 per month. If you're creating weekly content, especially podcasts or videos, it can easily pay for itself in the time it saves. The biggest mistake content creators make is thinking they have to reinvent the wheel every time. Castmagic lets you squeeze every drop of value from what you've already made, so you can focus on creating more, not working more. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to IdeaPlex for more creator tools, and drop a comment telling me which feature you'd use first. Your next viral post might already be hiding in your last recording.